I cannot tell you how super excited we are that Lamont Repollet is stepping into the chair and is president, the 18th president of this illustrious university.
And their children, may his presence go before you, and behind you, and beside you, all around you, and within you. He is with you, he is with you, in the morning, in the evening.
When I hear Lamont say, stay humble, stay hungry, it reminds me of the fact that he knows who he is and believes in God's plan for his life.
By accepting the President's Medallion, you accept the charge to serve with diligence, dedication, energy, vision, and integrity.
I have loved Cain fiercely since I first arrived on campus as a graduate student and later as a member of the Board of Trustees. I loved it because I instantly felt a connection. I felt like I belonged. I'm determined to make sure each and every student feels the same way.